Belize, turn up. The gang them are wreak havoc right now upon one another, two main gang. Now, this is Jose Matos. Them killing like 2 days ago in a targeted hit. He's a known underworld figure in Belize. But I am going to tell you about him and what happened. But before I do that, I am going to start way from the back so you can understand. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now I put out a video about Prezi because you have a lot of people saying I'm representing the 7 gang, and I put out that video. Y'all could go back and check it and you'll get the understanding that I don't represent Prezi. I'm not getting money from him or nothing. I wouldn't mind some money from Prezi though, but cause I love money. But anyways, let's move into this. Belize is getting very, very, very active in the gang world, and there is a difference between, say, Belize and Jamaica, because Belize only have 400,000 people and it's twice the size of Jamaica, 4 times the size of Trinidad. So before I go deep into this, I just want to give you guys an example. Now, the drug cartel them have a lot of money. So what they do, they send like 2 shipments to the south side of the island. This is just an example where the law enforcement direct everything to that area, and then on the other sides, the different sides, they flood it with drugs and come through with boat, plane, all sort of thing. So that's how Belize is. A lot of money in that thing right there. Now, with that said, I am going to play a clip, and this clip is of a young man dying about mid to late last year, and he is in a gang called the Bakalan Crips, BLC. Listen to this, BLC, Bakalan Crips. Let's go.
Last night at 9:30, 34-year-old Orel Leslie was driving at the corner of Dickinson Street and Yarborough Road when a waiting gunman ambushed him with a shower of gunfire. They left no doubt as they sprayed the pickup with as many as 49 rounds of 9mm and 40 caliber ammunition.
Now you guys hear what the news reporter just said. 49 rounds of 9mm and 40 caliber weapon. Now, Belize is not a place to play with.
I believe we have the 2 suspects in custody who are responsible for Orel Leslie's death. We have also recovered the firearm used. So I believe we have a very good case moving forward.
Police are still searching for the 40 caliber pistol, which is a very powerful prohibited firearm. But more urgently, they are looking for a way to contain retaliation in a clash between 2 high-powered, well-armed gangs, Bakalan Crips and Peace in the Village.
Now, the police did some good work on this. They were able to capture the 2 culprits. But you heard what the reporter said. BLC gang and PIV, Bakalan Crips and Peace in the Village. Now, Bakalan Crips, they are Crips, and police in the village, they are bloods. Now, this man, Oral Leslie, him is a known supplier for the Bakalan Crips gang, meaning drugs. You understand? And the PIV gang, they are the ones who took him out. Now that brings us to the main story of Jose Matos. Jose Matos was associated with the Bakalan Crips and the Bakalan gang. He was a known drug supplier and gun supplier. You understand? Now, there was many attempts on his life and the police warned him to stay out of Belize city because the PIV gang was on his tail. Now, when it comes to a murder like that, you understand, because I do have the clip and I'm going to show the clip of the murder, but I'm going to cut out the dead body in the car because YouTube and them copy on their policies. But somebody who is close to this guy set him up. And Belize is a big country, but it's a small population, 400,000. So you can see how Belize operates. This is how it went down. He went to a certain part of Belize city to pick up a lady and her sister, them two ladies right there. So, like I say, in any murder or most murder, there is somebody that knows he is coming. So he went to pick up them two young ladies, and when he went there, a man come or two men come and blow some shot on him. Now, thank God, those two ladies, they're okay. Thank God, they are alive. Now, the police came out and actually begged this young man to stay out of Belize city, and he didn't. And this is the outcome. So right now, Belize city is very, very tense because there more likely is gonna be a reprisal, because in less than a year, two of the BLC top man them get slapped wet. Look at the screen in front of you. You see Brandon Smith, that's the PIV young boss. And then you see Brandon Baptist, that's the BLC young boss. Now, it seems like throughout this war, BLC has taken the casualty, the most casualty, and it seems like PIV is going after the big fish them and not going after the smaller fish, and that's what it seems that's going on over there in Belize. Now, I am going to wrap this video up because I just want to update you guys on what's going on in Belize. Now, I do have the footage of Mr. Jose Matos in the vehicle, but I am going to put the clip at the end of this, but I'm going to cut it out. If you want the full clip, then you can contact me via WhatsApp. I'll send it. But this video is to highlight the vicious gang war going on with the PIV, which is Mr. Brandon Smith, and the BLC, Bakalan Crips, which is Mr. Brandon Baptist and the police is begging them to chill, but I don't think there's gonna be any chilling right now, given the fact that the DLC get two big hits, two suppliers of drugs and gun to the man them dog. So we don't know the Bakalan have a do. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I said I was gonna show the video of Jose Matos getting killed, but YouTube giving me a problem with the video. So if you want to see the video, just link me up in WhatsApp and I'll send it to you. I'm out.